To create a manual subscription contract, start by opening the app from your Shopify dashboard. From there, head over to the Contracts page and give it a click. Now click the Create Contract button to begin. Here's where you'll enter all the key details to set up the subscription. Start by selecting the customer and filling in their shipping address. Then, choose the products to include in the subscription. After that, set the subscription status, define the delivery frequency, and pick the next delivery date. Finally, complete any additional fields needed to finalize the contract. Once you're done, just click Save, and your manual subscription contract is ready to go.